Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Sophie, and today I'm going to show you how you can screen record on your Xiaomi 13 Lite. For that, you want to go to your drop down menu and then swipe to the left, and then you have a screen recorder here. You can click on it and then we can tap to start recording. We'll do that, and now it's recording. We can, well, I don't know, show different things, and when we're done we can click on stop again, and then we can go to our library, then we can go to our photos, and here we have our screen recording. You see it's without sound now, so we can go ahead and go back to screen recording and make some settings here. We can say sound source, system sounds, mic or mute. On some phones you can say system sounds and mic. We can now say mic, and then we have some other settings we can have here. We can make that, and then we can start this recording again and do the same thing, and hopefully it records my voice now as well. We can stop it and then go back to our photos, and then we have our second. Start this recording again and do the same thing. And all right, you heard it recorded my voice as well, so that worked. So this is how you can screen record on your Xiaomi 13 Lite. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.